In this video lecture, we are discussing important MCQs related to CAM pathway or crustacean acid metabolism pathway. What does CAM stands for in CAM plants? And the right answer is option C. Next one is CAM plants are particularly adapted to survive in, and the right answer is option A, arid environment. Next one is which of the following is a well-known CAM plants, and the right answer is option B, cactus is the well-known CAM plants. Next question is in CAM photosynthesis, when do stomata typically open? And the right answer is during night. And this is the main feature of CAM plants. In CAM plants, stomata typically open during night time. Next question is CAM plants fix carbon dioxide into organic acid during, and the right answer is option B, night time. Next question is which enzyme is crucial in the fixation of carbon dioxide into CAM plants, and the right answer is option B, PEP carboxylase is the right answer for the fixation of carbon dioxide in CAM plants. Which of the following, what is the primary advantage of CAM photosynthesis in arid environment? And the right answer is reduce water loss. Next question is in which plants cell organelle does CAM photosynthesis primarily take place? And the right answer is chloroplast is the organelles where the CAM photosynthesis primarily take place. Next question is during which phase of CAM photosynthesis is carbon dioxide fixed into organic acid? And the right answer is option A, carbon fixation. Next question is which of the following is not characteristic of CAM plants? And the right answer is option C, direct fixation of carbon dioxide into ribulose bisphosphate is not the characteristics of CAM plants. The main advantage of CAM photosynthesis is, what is the main advantage of CAM photosynthesis? The right answer is option B, reduce water loss during photosynthesis. Next question is CAM plants are most commonly found in, CAM plants are mostly commonly found in desert area. CAM plants are often characterized into CAM plants. And the question is next, what role do crustacean acid play in CAM plants? Right answer is carbon fixation is the role of crustacean acid play in CAM plants. Which environmental factors triggered the opening of stomata in CAM plants? And the right answer is carbon dioxide concentration triggered the opening of stomata. During which phase of CAM photosynthesis do stomata close? During reduction, stomata is closed. Which plant family includes many well-known CAM species? In which plant families CAM photosynthesis take place? The right answer is Cactaceae. The initial fixation of carbon in CAM plants involves in the formation of which molecules? The right answer is oxaloacetate. Next question is CAM photosynthesis is an adaptation to overcome limitation related to water availability, related limitation. Next question is in CAM plants where is malic acid stored during night? In vacuole, malic acid stored during night. The conversion of malic acid back to carbon dioxide and pyruvates during daytime. Next question is CAM plants are considered to be a type of CAM photosynthesis. Next question is the PEP carboxylase enzyme in CAM plants has higher affinity for carbon dioxide than the enzymes found in C3 plants. Next question is what is the main advantage of storing fixed carbon dioxide as a malic acid in CAM plants? What is the advantage? Right answer is minimize water loss. Next one is CAM photosynthesis is an adaptation to minimize the loss of water because they live in a desert area. Water concentration already is very low, so CAM photosynthesis is an adaptation of the plant to minimize water loss. Next question is which of the following statement is true regarding CAM plants? And the right answer is they lack PEP carboxylase enzyme. Next question is the primary purpose of CAM photosynthesis is to store energy in the form of malic acid during night time. Next question is the CAM pathway is a variation of photosynthesis that occurs in response to low carbon dioxide concentration. Next question is in CAM plants the reduction of malic acid occurs during. The right answer is night time. Next question is CAM plants are an example of plants that exhibit crustacean acid metabolism. And this is the whole story of CAM plant related MCQs.